Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 10.25-inch Android screen installed in a 2007 Mercedes S550 4MATIC that it didn't come with backup camera. We can use our universal lip mount. And we add our Apple CarPlay with a 10-inch screen. So technically here was before the screen from S550, and this specific S550 didn't come with any auxiliary input. So the solution is using FM transmitter. So the auxiliary from our unit connects to the auxiliary input of FM transmitter, and you can use the FM transmitter to have sound. The other S classes, if they come with auxiliary, this auxiliary can hook up directly to the auxiliary of the car. If you have RCAs in the glove box, you can hook it up to the RCA in the glove box. Anyways, there is different ways to get the sound from this screen, but this is the worst case scenario, that car doesn't come with aux. So the solution is FM transmitter with auxiliary input on the side of it, so you can have sound. The screen is fully touch. You can use the touch screen. You can use Google Maps. You can use Waze. And this is through our USB dongle, wireless USB dongle. And by going to Mercedes, you can go to the aftermarket mode. You can scroll left and right. This is 4+64 anti-glare blue screen. By clicking on NTG mode, you can go back to the factory NTG. It retains all the factory functions. And on top of that, we add our backup camera too. So by going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic guidelines. And also you get the sensors work too. You can see the sensors are activated. By going to drive, it goes back to the same screen. And by touching the screen, you go back to the aftermarket mode, and you can play songs, you can play movies through USBs, or you can download any apps that you like.
Let's get to work.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
Justin, you didn't think it could get any better, huh?
Here we go.
Of the sound, even through FM transmitter, is perfectly fine. And you can have the dash, which it shows the speed and the RPM. And the offline maps. And also on the aftermarket screen, you can use the backup camera as well. If you're interested to get these type of S-classes units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. And the other question that we usually get from customers, they're asking, what about the buttons on the left side of the screen? Our screen retains all those for the passenger airbag light, and for the changing the suspension and the parking off on, and also the dim light. So it retains all those factory functions. Again, if you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.